Good morning, children. Last class we have discussed about the types of computer languages. There are two types of computer languages. They are low level language and high level language. What are the two categories of low level language? The two categories of low level languages are machine language and assembly language. Already we have learned. Today we are going to study about a new topic, high level language. What is high level language? High level language is a programming language with a strong abstraction from the details of the computer. High level language use English keywords, symbols and arithmetic operations like plus, minus, asterisk, slash, etc. The languages are considered to be closer to human beings than the system's hardware. The high level languages are considered to be closer to human beings. The human beings can understand this language. It is the English language. The computer cannot understand English language. The computer can understand only machine language, zeros and ones. Right? Let's move on to features of high level language. First point is easy to understand. Since high level languages are closer to humans, the programs written in high level language are easy to create and understand for the programmer. Because it is written in English language, so human can understand easily. Second one, easy to debug. Debugging is the process of finding and rectifying errors. For example, suppose we make mistakes, we can find out and rectify easily. The third point is support portability feature. The high level programs are portable in nature. They are machine independent. The programs can be run in multiple platforms. For example, Windows, Macintosh, Linux and Unix, etc. You can run it in any platform. Okay, children. Next, some of the high level languages are Basic, Visual Basic, Fortran, Java, Pascal, C, C++, Python, Ruby, etc. Next, children, listen very carefully. Computer cannot understand high level language. It can understand only machine language, that is zeros and ones. Machine language is directly understood by the computer. Now, to convert a high level language into machine language, we need a translator. Why do we need a translator? To convert high level language to machine language. What are the translators we have studied? Assembler, compiler and interpreter. Assembler is used to translate from assembly language to machine language. In the same way, if we want to translate a high level language into machine language, we need a compiler or interpreter. Can you understand, children? Now, we can see about a compiler. A compiler is the program that translates the code in a high level language to machine language. A compiler is a program that translates the code in a high level language to machine language. The compiler converts high level code directly into machine language. The whole program code is converted into one go. That's why the execution of the program is very fast. Therefore, debugging is very difficult because all the errors are generated after scanning the whole program. That means the compiler will compile the whole program. Now let us see the compilation process. The first one, what we are giving, that is high level language, that is called as source code. then pre-processing, then executable code is done by compiler, then processing, then you will get a machine code. That is called object program. Is it clear? Interpreter is also used to convert a program written in high level language into machine language. It is a computer program that directly executes, that is, performs instructions, scripting language, etc. It converts the code line by line to an intermediate form which is executed later. If some errors are found, they are rectified immediately. It can be very time consuming when the program is long. Therefore, interpreter programs are slow in execution. What is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Compiler converts whole program, but interpreter converts line by line. Can you understand? Once again, I recall the topics, whatever we have studied. High level languages, features of high level language, translators, assembler, compiler, interpreter, and its uses. Okay, children. Thank you.